Hey, it's Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. Today I would like to talk to you about the 5 best insurance affiliate programs. Insurance is something that you have to have in this day and age, no matter what it is: life insurance, auto insurance, home insurances, so many different types of insurance that you need today. And you can make money with insurance affiliate programs. There are a lot of options here. So there are insurance companies that are set up to operate online, and that gives affiliate marketers more of an opportunity to promote these insurance products and that you can make money with. There's a lot of competition. That's why a lot of insurance companies offer extra added bonuses, and that's a plus for those of us who would like to promote insurance programs online as well. There are many different types of insurance, as I said. Here's just a short list of them: travel insurance, remote worker, traveler, car insurance, health insurance, financial planning, pet insurance, privacy protection, home insurance, life insurance, and so on and so forth. You need to have a blog to promote any product. I will discuss this further when I'm done here. You can start how to start a blog and make money in this year of 2021. Anyone can start a blog, and I will show you in 4 steps. But getting back to the insurance programs right now that you will promote on your blog, you can learn how to build a website and get traffic. That's what you need. So in this particular case, we're talking about insurance. So people have issues with insurance. They have problems. You have to help them. That's the goal. If you help them with the problems that they're having with insurance products, you'll be successful. And of course, you want to promote products that are legitimate. So the first program I want to talk about is RoamRight. And they're an insurance company that provides quality travel insurance with great customer service, and they can do everything at a competitive price. Their policies are created to provide coverage for any type of traveler, and their technology platform is coverage that makes purchasing easy. You can earn a 15% commission with RoamRight, and the cookies are 365 days. So that's excellent. And you get marketing material after you join. You have to join ShareASale, before you can be approved for RoamRight, because ShareASale handles all your payments and everything like that. You get promotional marketing material. These are basically the same with most programs, and you can join RoamRight right here. Next is Insurance Nomads. This is insurance for the remote worker, traveler. They offer a full portfolio of insurance solutions for people on the go: travel insurance, disability insurance, international health. They provide a 12% commission, and their cookies are 180 days. And you can join the Insured Nomads affiliate program here. Again, I just want to mention you need a website, a blog, to promote these affiliate programs. And I have a 4-step process that's going to help you with this. You can click here to get started now. Next up is National Underwriter. They are the first in line with the targeted insurance, tax, and financial planning information that you would need to make business decisions that are critical in this day and age. They have 100 years of expert experience. They have resources available in print, online, or ebook. Some of them are listed here. Now you can join National Underwriter right here, and you will get a 10% commission. Cookie duration is 90 days, which means if somebody does not buy anything on your website and they come back within 90 days, the cookies are still there, you would get credit for it. And as I said, you can join National Underwriter here. Next up is Spartacus. They have worked in the tech industry themselves, and they saw firsthand there was a complete lack of privacy when it comes to consumer data. And they take your data seriously. And they want to establish an understanding so that they can offer the most value in this relationship. What they do is they scan your data, they delete personal data from websites, and they will protect you. They'll monitor your passwords, identity, and cover you up to $1 million if identity theft should occur. Their commission rate is 70%, which is extremely high. Cookie duration is 90 days, and you can join Spartacus here. And last but not least is Meet Fabric. They are committed to bringing you financial products for new parents into the current age with an experience that's affordable, simple, and beautiful. Affordable is important today because you need insurance and it can be costly. They offer a last will and testament that allows you to designate specific guardians for your children, final wishes for your family, and it's only about 5 minutes, no cost. Then they have Fabric Premium. That's a little bit more involved. That takes 10 minutes. And then Fabric Vault, which is the top program that they have. And the commission rate and cookie duration is not available on this, but it's still very important to cover your privacy with insurance, and Meet Fabric can do that for you. You can join their program right here. Now, when you're searching for affiliate programs in your niche, I just wanted to point out what you need and what to look for. You need a really good keyword tool. I have the best one available online today is right here. And I chose ShareASale to represent the products rather than Amazon, because Amazon's payout is pretty poor. You have to make a lot of sales to make money. And ShareASale, the percentage is much higher. Now, when you're searching for your niche, in this case it's insurance, if you go on Google and type in insurance plus affiliate programs, they will come up. As you can see, there are some here. What you're looking for is you want to make sure the program has an adequate commission payout, that they are providing solid testimonials that state customer satisfaction and the quality of the product, and that the product will help solve the problem of the prospective buyer. In this case, it's insurance. You do not want to promote inferior products, and you want to make sure that the program is solid when it comes to getting payouts for yourself. Now, as I said earlier, I just want to go back to this. This is very important. You need to build a website first. If you go to apply for a program and you do not have a website to promote traffic, you will be rejected. They will ask you the name of your website, and I will show you how to 4-step process on how to build this. What are your traffic numbers, your plan of attack in promoting their products, and the reason you want to join, because they want to know, after all, why they should put their product in your hands. So those are the 5 best insurance affiliate programs that I believe you can make money with. Now you just need a website, and you need to be trained, and it's right here. I remember almost passing this up, and I said, as I say here, I'm sure glad that I didn't. So here's how you would get started with a website. It's a 4-step process that you can profit from, and here's how you do it right here. And that's it. I'd like to thank you for your time, and ask you if you would please click the like and subscribe buttons below. And I will see you on the other side, and I'll be there to help you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.